Ever wondered what the present perfect continuous is all about? Let's break it down in just a minute. The formula is easy. You use have or has, always add been, and then the verb with an ing ending. For example, I have been studying. So, when do you use it? The present perfect continuous is for actions that started in the past and are still happening now or have just recently stopped. Like, I have been working all morning. It started earlier and is still happening. You'll often see the present perfect continuous with time expressions like for since lately or recently. Example, I have been exercising for 2 hours, or she has been learning English since 2020. Don't mix it up with the present perfect. Use the continuous form when the focus is on how long something's been happening. Like, I have worked means the work is done, but I have been working means it's still going. Now you know how to use the present perfect continuous. It's all about those ongoing actions. Drop a sentence using the present perfect continuous in the comments and follow for more English tips.